welcome to today's tutorial. In our tutorial today, we're going to look at a question that is coming from variations. And the question reads, V varies directly as a square of x and inversely as y. Given that V is equal to 9 when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Now find the values of x when V is equals to 50 and y is equal to 2. So our first step here, we will need to come up with an equation which is going to define this variation. So we are told that V varies directly as the square of x, then inversely as y. Meaning V is going to be equal to k x squared over y, where k is a constant of variation. Okay, meaning before we can solve anything, the first thing that we're supposed to do there is to find the value of k. Now, how are we going to find the value of k? We've been told firstly that V is equal to 9 when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So we're going to substitute the values of V, value of x, and the value of y in this equation so that we can find the value of k. So we are saying that V is equal to kx squared over y. The value for V is 9. Being equal to k there, then the value for x, we have a 3, which we're going to square, over the value for y is 4. Okay, so this is going to be 9 being equal to 3 squared. That's going to give us 9 and the k there, then over 4. At this stage, what do? We cross multiply. We're going to say 9k multiplied by 1. That's going to give us 9k. Then 9 multiplied by 4, that's going to give us 36. Now that we're interested in the k, we're going to divide both sides by 9. Okay, so 36 divided by 9, our answer is going to be 4 there. So therefore, we can conclude by saying that the value of k is equal to 4. Once you find the value of k, we can now use it to solve the value of x. Because the question says find the values of x when v is equals to 50 and y is equals to 2. So using the same equation, because it's the same equation that we use to find the constants of variation. So therefore, we are going to say that a v being equal to kx to the power 2 over y, which we are told that v is equals to 50. And the k, we found the 4 there. Then over the y, it was 2. So at that stage, we say over 1, then we cross multiply. 4x squared multiplied by 1, that's going to be 4x squared. Then 50 multiplied by 2 there, we're going to get 100. Then what do? We're going to divide both sides by 4 since we're interested with the x. So we shall say x squared is equal to 25. So how do you remove the square? You square root both sides. Okay. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to the square root of 25. It's going to give us both the positive value and the negative value. So our answer is going to be positive 5 and negative 5.